Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to remove profile picture on Threads app. Why would you want to know how to remove profile picture on Threads app? Well, maybe it is your first time using Threads and not sure how to remove profile picture on Threads app. So today I am going to show you how to remove profile picture on Threads app. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Removing profile picture on Thread app is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for Android and iOS devices. Let me show how you will remove your profile picture on Threads app. First of all, open Threads app in your device, and now here is my Thread home screen. And then first click on your profile icon in the right bottom corner, and now in this screen click on edit profile, and then click on your profile picture. And now click on remove current picture and then click on done, and your profile picture has been removed on Threads app. So there you go. If you were wondering how to remove profile picture on Thread app, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.